Hi, we're Team Light Blue. I'm Michael DeSaro. I'm a student at Stevens Institute of Technology.
I'm Cyrus Majd. I'm a student at Rutgers studying computer science.
And I'm Jack Lowry. I'm a student at Rutgers as well, studying electrical engineering.
So, after pretty much a year of isolation, we were all sort of craving some sort of social interaction and having some sort of like physical games. So, we decided to create this chess robot to sort of emulate that real world aspect that we sort of lost due to COVID.
Our robot, which we affectionately named Chester, the chess playing robot, is built off of the frame of a 3D printer, DaVinci 2.0. We did this because it allows us to easily move around the arm in space so that we wouldn't have to worry about, picking up chess pieces and having to write our own code for that. It made it really easy.
So for this project, we knew we wanted a custom claw that would be powered by a servo, so we decided to custom design and 3D print our own. Here's a video of it printing. So the claw has a mount for the servo, which then controls a claw, and this servo plugs directly into a Raspberry Pi 4, which we also have mounted onto our robot. It also includes a mount for a PiCam V2, which also plugs directly into the Pi.
The PyCam was especially important to us because we wanted Chester to be able to see the pieces and not just move them around. To do this, we employed computer vision. So first of all, we subdivided the chessboard into 4 different quadrants, and then we subdivided those to find out the individual squares. In those squares, we looked for the little blobs of color that we painted onto each chess piece. This allowed Chester to identify which piece was in which square, and then we used some smart trigonometry to kind of identify a region of area which we could use to identify the color of each piece.
So, for the web interface, we used Flask to set up a web server, and then we used a bunch of JavaScript to create a sort of emulated chessboard, which you could actually interact with to play with the robot Chester. And we also had a live camera feed from the Raspberry Pi, as you can see over there in the top left.
So we saw the Twitch Plays HackRU as one of the optional prizes, and we thought that this would be a perfect candidate for that. So we implemented this. You can see here the stream chat is showing on top of the stream as the robot is moving around, and it will eventually, after it scans the board and finds out the potential options for moves, it'll go into the stream chat, say hello world, and then I'm gonna make a move saying play G1 H3, which is then the highest voted move, and it goes on to make that move.
We had a ton of fun making this project, and I hope you enjoyed learning about it too.